How to check recent unfollowers on Instagram. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram application. Once you check that, simply launch Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you go through your Instagram homepage, click on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there on the top right, you'll see three lines. Simply tap on it. Now on the searching bar, search for download your information. Once you go through download your information, there you will see download or transfer information. Tap on it and choose your Instagram. From there, choose all available information and choose download to device. From here, you have to create files and your all data will be downloaded, including your recent unfollowers on Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.